In this video, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go over a bike horn that I've got here for my Bandit Pacers e-bike. So if you're like me and you got an e-bike or you just got a bicycle in general, and what came on it was this little bell here. Never been a big fan of these bells. So what I did, I went out and bought this bike horn, and I just kind of want to show you guys what this thing is, what it sounds like, because I absolutely love it. Number one, it comes in like, I think 6 different colors, or is that 5 different colors? I got the jet black, and what it is, it comes in this little box here. It is USB charging, so you do have a little USB cable right there that is a micro USB. You see where I mounted it. What I do like about it, it is mounted under here, and it actually looks like it's designed for this bike. When you look at where it's mounted, see how it's up under the brake handle there? It just kind of goes around, and there's a button on top and a button on bottom. And this thing is 120 decibel, and let me show you how loud this is, because if you're like me, and I got my e-bike here, and I ride a lot in traffic, I need something that's real loud inside of traffic to kind of like let people know I'm coming. So down at the bottom, you see this bottom button here. Let me go ahead and mash it for you now. So that's the basic horn on the bottom. You hear how loud that is? I don't know if you can hear it in the camera how loud that is, but it's actually as loud as a car horn. And then this top button right here, so if I want to change it, hit this top button. That's a whistle. That's like a siren, like a car siren going off. That one's not as loud. So that's something you would use on the bike trail or something like that. But check this out, there's a clown horn. That's always a cool one to use. It's nice and neat. You can see it has a longer wire on it, and I just keep that wire tucked up in there. There it is, everybody. That's the Lescovy bike horn. We love bikes. You know what? I love bikes, especially when it's a Bandit bike. Let's get the horn out of here. See you guys in the next video.